thank you for joining the family. So today we're going to make my favorite salad recipe. These are the ingredients that we're going to use. We have lettuce here, chili, some mayonnaise, lion's one, salt. So we're going to use half an apple and 1 piece of tomato. So we also have some ketchup here. The first thing we're going to do, I've already washed everything. We're going to start chopping up the remaining lettuce. I had used this some time back. I like my salad vegetables a bit chunky. You know what? I like vegetable salads. They're very easy to make. Take half an apple. I use half an apple. Going to have a tomato. We're done with chopping up. So the next thing is adding on to our spice. Let's shake this first. So just add a little. Dash nice the salt. So you just sprinkle some. That seems to be enough for me. Some chili, the pepper. This I forgot to mention. We're going to put a bit of chia seeds inside that mix. Rico seems best for me. So we just put something special. So this is how the mixture looks like. So that's the end result. So for the chia seeds, they don't really have taste, but they're very healthy. Take all those part. Perfect. So for foodies like me, this serves one. Just me. And that is actually the end of my video. This is the best that comes out from me. When you meet me and tell me, give me a salad, this is what I'll do. So until next time, bye.